Hi, I'm Peter Aziz. I'm here to introduce my upcoming webinar on mastery of time. This is for anybody who needs help in actually making more efficient use of the time. Those who find they haven't got enough hours in the day, they come out tired and end up making mistakes and not using time efficiently. I'm going to teach you several things. First of all, I'm going to teach you how to master your energy so it moves faster. So you can actually change from one to another efficiently without loss of energy. And when you work in this way, not only are you less tired, but actually you come out invigorated by your work. Secondly, I'm going to be teaching you how to actually master time itself, how to shrink it, expand it, so you can actually use it differently. You can get more into your working hours, but also recover quickly in your best time. So you can change, shrink, and expand time as you will. Through these two methods between them, you'll have mastery of your day, where you can actually work efficiently and come out feeling very good, efficient, and successful. And of course, I'll be giving hot seats, so I'll guide some of you through your individual issues which you might be experiencing with your work. Now, or individual problems with time and tiredness and so on, to make sure you master these things. So if anybody wants to improve the mastery of time, I will see you there.